Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove the watermark from a PDF file using CamScanner. First, open the CamScanner app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. Now either scan a new document using the camera icon or tap on an existing file from the home screen that has watermark. If you are using the free version of CamScanner, it automatically adds a watermark to your PDF. To remove it, you will need to upgrade to the premium version of the app. To upgrade, tap your profile icon or go to the settings. Here you can see an option Upgrade to Premium. Tap on that and select the subscription plan monthly or yearly. Follow the payment steps through the Play Store or App Store. Once premium is active, all new documents you scan will be water free. To remove the watermark from an existing PDF, open the document, tap the three-dot menu and look for Reprocess without watermark. And that's it. You have successfully removed the watermark from the PDF using CamScanner. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.